Hey guys, how's it going? Since it's summertime, I thought I would show you guys how to draw a cartoon bonfire. So, to start off with our bonfire, we're going to begin with some little rocks around it, kind of like a little fire pit. So to do that, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make some kind of like squiggly oval and circle shapes like that. Now the trick is when making these rocks is you want to make them all different sizes. And you don't want any two to look exactly alike. Because if you do, then it's just going to look like a bunch of circles around there. So I'm just going to put a few, and as I draw these, I'm kind of putting these behind the previous one. So I'm going to put a couple more here, put one more right here, and that should be good. Now, to draw the bonfire, we need to put some wood in there. So to draw that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a little oval shape, but I'm not going to see all of it. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to add another oval shape. And then I'm going to put one more here. I'm going to kind of draw this one at an angle. Then I'm going to put another one over here. Now, starting with this one, I'm just going to draw a diagonal line. Then I'm going to draw another diagonal line up here like this. Then over here, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line. Then I'm going to put another little diagonal line right there. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line. And then another one right here. Then over here, I'm going to draw another line, and then one on top. Now, inside of these, I want to show a little bit of wood grain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make kind of like a little broken oval shape like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to do the same thing around here. And then over here as well. That just kind of gives a little wood grain texture. Then over here on these logs, I'm going to make a few broken lines. I'm going to make some lines that are real long, some are short, and then a few broken ones too. And I'm going to do this on each log. Now that we have our logs, we need to draw the fire. Now, when drawing the fire, you want to make sure that the flames are always different sizes. You don't want them being exactly the same on each side. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then in like that. Then I want to keep this at a point, and I'm going to come down, I'm going to get really skinny, and then I'm going to curve up at a different angle like that. Then I'm going to curve in, and I'm going to curve around and come up like this. Then I'm going to bring this down, and I want to curve this one up really high and bring it back down. Then I want to bring this one down, flip it around, curve back up. I want to make sure there's a point at the top of each one. Then I'm going to like curve this one right here, and then I'll bring this back down. Now I can also add some little flames that are shooting up just by adding a few little curved lines. Make some of these a little bit different sizes. And I'll throw one up here too. Now you can always add other things around here too. You know, lots of times people are cooking either like hot dogs or marshmallows around their little bonfire or campfire. So let's say I want to put a little hot dog over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a curved line like this, and then a curved line on the other side. And then I'm just going to connect these with two rounded lines. Then I'm going to put two lines going through here. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line on the outside of it. I want to make sure it kind of lines up with those little lines. Then I'm just going to draw a little line down here. And then I'm going to put a little rounded rectangle shape on the end for a handle. Now you could also do a marshmallow too. So over here, I'm going to draw a little oval shape. And then I'm going to draw two lines coming down off of that oval shape. And then I'm just going to connect it with a curve. And then I'm going to draw a little line going through it. And then I'm just going to take this line, I'm just going to curve it around like that. Then I'll do the same thing, draw a straight line. And then I'll put a little handle on the end of it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little bonfire campfire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.